Have you ever watched a video where every transition, every cut, hits right on the beat of the music? It feels smooth, professional, and satisfying to watch. Today, Highline's show you how to sync your audio with your video in CapCut so your edits flow perfectly with the music. Alright, first up, add your background track. We're going to use this song. Now we need to line up our video cuts with the beats of this track. Next, tap on the music track, then select beat and apply auto beat detection. Easy. Now CapCut has automatically detected the beats in our song, and it shows us where they are with these purple markers. But wait, we can do even better. If you want more control, you can tap to add your own markers while listening to the music. This works great if your track has drops or unique rhythm changes. Next, we're going to split our video at these beat markers. This is an important step because now we can cut our clips so that each one ends or starts on a beat. Every time the music hits, your video transitions will feel natural and energetic. Tip: split at beat equals professional flow. Next, we're going to insert a transition effect between our two clips. And guess what? We're going to put the transition right on the beat where these two lines meet. This way, when a beat drops, our transition lands, making the edit feel smooth. We can also sync visual effects or text animations with the beat. For example, we can make text bounce right on the drum hit. This looks very engaging. Quick recap. Step 1. Import your music. Step 2. Use auto beat detection or add beats manually. Step 3. Cut your clips to match the beats. Step 4. Add transitions right on the beat. Step 5. Sync effects or text for extra style. And that's how you sync audio with video in CapCut. Now you see the difference. With synced audio, your edits feel alive and professional. Next, we'll look at noise reduction and audio cleanup, making your sound clearer. This will help you remove background noise and polish your voice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And tell me in the comments, what type of music do you love editing with the most? See you next time.